Hey friends, this is Anisha here with Foodies Corner. In this video, we will see how to make soft, super spongy banana bread. Let's all get started with the ingredients. I have detailed the ingredients in the description box. We'll use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, 1½ cup sugar, half a cup of yogurt, a stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Let's get started with the preparation. Start by mashing the bananas in a mixing bowl. You can use a fork to do this. Now that the bananas are mashed well, let's move on to make the batter. Let's beat butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl. Continue beating until the mix turns creamy. Now let us add eggs to the mixture. Let us beat the mixture for about 3 minutes until we get a nice texture. Now add the mashed bananas and blend them well. Add yogurt, vanilla essence and blend them well. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Let's start with the flour. Use a spatula to mix it well before using a beater. As a final step to the batter, add baking powder, baking soda and salt and mix them well. Now transfer the batter to a loaf pan. I have lined the pan with parchment paper so that the bread is easy to be taken out when ready. Make sure that you fill only half of the pan, giving enough room for the bread to rise. Gently tap the pan so that there are no air bubbles. Now bake the bread for an hour in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. Now that an hour has passed, let's take the bread out and let it cool over a rack before you flip it off the pan. And that's it, the simplest way to make banana bread. Thank you for watching my video.